Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Rohan Mustafa, 26th of August, Wednesday, second stream of the month. First one, if you didn't watch, go check it out. It played perfectly well on, especially on ours. Now back to the second one because I thought now it's time for the quick update. So it's a weekly chart and too much levels I have marked. Simply we will remove everything and we will start marking again. Structure wise, everyone knows the bias and everyone is the nowadays traders, so they know high, low, again high, low, high, low, new, small, high, and this low taken out. Now low, high, low, it's a high, and technically it should be another low from this zone to this. But important thing people are missing. Structure shifted from here. First high this one. So actually our structure shift will be below there. Once we close here, the structure will be shifted until unless this is a proper whole range. The price is ranging. This is a big range on higher time frame. So we will act upon this range. Look at the mid range how it is working. So these zones are key levels like around 87K. So we will be bull above 87K. So we accept it above the range, mid range, then we will be talking about range highs. So until unless we are below here, we will only work in between this zone from range low to range mid range, which is 48 to 87. This is our range for trading. So on weekly structure wise, if once we lose this pivot low here, then structure will be fucked up until unless structure is very good, clear, clean. So we will easily we can trade in a spot zone. This blue zone, whenever price came towards mm, range lows, we will load up spot. Whenever price goes back up in mid zone, we will offload and probably looking for short positions. If you are not shorting on your spot player, then you will look for the pullbacks. So this is weekly structure here. Now in between, this is important level. I will mark an on daily demand. No, sorry, here is a daily supply, so I will mark it. That's why I removed the action. Another thing is once we created higher high, higher low, and then another higher high. This leg, this one, this is a higher low. So we are reclaiming that higher low once again. So once we reclaim this low here, then we might go towards these highs and this one. Look at this structure here, clean. Demand tapped. Now what once our demand tap, first target, second target, third target. So this is how price will move up. But this is on weekly time frame, so it takes times and manipulations and all over all things are here. So this is previous higher low, so we reclaimed very good. But reclaiming now we didn't retested it. Remember this thing, we didn't tested this higher low yet. We reclaimed, we didn't test it, we tested here and then we lost. So same we will this area is a crucial one here, this one. We have to retest it first and then stabilizes above here for bullish confirmation. After all, this big candle or candle price is a bit bullish, a bit not more than bullish here. But once you see this range, then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a lower high zone. So overall, things are in a bit of resistance where people are getting offloading their bags. So that's why prices kept stalling here. So now we will move towards daily and uh, lower time frame levels. I will remove this one. You understand it why what is going on here, and I will mark another range here. One, there are two ranges. So we will keep those ranges which are working right now. First range, this one, this whole leg I marked, we are at mid range. Exactly the reason behind the rejection. So now what should be done in this zone here? This is the range here, 5% range. We can trade here. We should look for longs here. We should look for short here. But the way these candle closes, I will not recommend any short position here, because whenever price starts moving, if it is going upward, then no resistance works. And once it starts going down, no support works. So this is what it is. So this is a small range right now. We have to trade with it. But another one range is also here. I will mark that range as well. Okay, fuck that. Range low and this one. These are the two ranges. Currently we are at resistance, so I will mark this range as well. We remove this range, and we have this higher low level, important one. We will find some what demands here in this zone if we had, and the other one is this one, mid range. These are the important ranges. People are marking range from here. I don't know why, but we have this whole leg up. So I will, for marking ranges, you have to mark the whole range. And if you study this range, we have this small investment here reclaimed. Now range highs are target. Let me check some kind of, this is a demand here. What we will find up here, range highs will be taken out. 82,700 will be taken out sooner or later. But what at first I told you I have a when I mark this range here, which range I have marked first? This one. Oh, so mid range was forming somewhere here. So at the same time we have a clear supply here. So price is bullish. What we are looking for? We are looking for longs. Long trigger. And what are our offloading targets? First one, 82,800. Then if once price rejects and it's broke out here, then this daily supply is the total offload zone 8690, because overall structure is bullish. But internally and this way, floor to lower high, lower to lower high, this is lower high zone, important zone it is. Once we flip this, then we are going straight here, then no if and buts. So yeah, for now these two range high didn't taken out, so it will be taken out sooner or later. For this, we have to find our triggers. So it's H4 chart. H4 is making higher highs. High, low, high. So this low will be protected at any cost here, and we need to make another high here for going up. This is basic simple market structure playing out here. For this, we have this clear demand here. This one, the first one. This is our clear demand here on H4. Once price came back here, I am not putting limits here because look at these candles. Price is a bit in a stagnant mood, and if you see, we are nearly closes. We are very close to range high, so that's why I am not putting any limits here. But when price came here and it shows some momentum, that will be a long zone, first long zone for me towards to target range high. So 3.5 RR it is. Another zone on H1 I will show you. Another, this is the first zone I have. Okay. I am marking this high to this low here. I am marking whole leg here. This is another range like you see this one on every feed right now on Twitter and everywhere that people are marking this low as a range low, that they are counting this as a deviation and retest, whereas the retest still we didn't get. So that's the first point for this demand to be valid here. Second thing is that for range you have to mark the whole leg. Like let's say I remove this one as well. So this is the whole leg up. So I will mark leg low to leg high. This is now my range. In between, like if you say that no, this is not, this from here we are marking range. No, this is not valid. You have to mark the whole leg up. Same ways goes to this leg low as well. So here now range high is low. I will adjust it. Okay, now adjust it. So on H1 range is also playing out. It's a if it was a normal market, this was a short and this was the TP here. But currently we are very much bullish. So I will not take any chance of shorting here. We'll wait for it. We'll wait for first QI to be done. How I will trade it? Price came here, gave me some kind of accumulation, MSB, BOS, retest perfect. Then here I will enter with proper stop loss and I will target this, and this. Other than that, I am not longing, shorting anything right now. Okay, I will remove this one. This is as for you can mark it your own chart. I want a clear, clean chart here. Okay, now look at this one. The range high taken out. Okay, deviation above range high retested. Now price is going down. First PY is somewhere here. It will react. If it didn't, what will be the next PY for us? Remember this one level from our daily, weekly. This one previous. This is our previous uh, higher low here, and at previous higher low we have H1 block. This is a continuation block. They work perfectly if it retested. That will be our 75 to 176, 74, 500. This is a beautiful block here to be taken. And yes, if price suddenly move down toward this zone, I will take a long here. I will bet here and stops will be my here and I will straight target then range highs here. That will be a swing trade for me for like 5 hour. But the best case scenario for me is to take this trade because this will be like kind of deviation below range low. This whole range will be validated here. After this deviation, you can place limits here. Better play, wait for it to deviate back here on retest. You can long here and then target range highs and higher time frame range highs. This is my plan on Bitcoin right now. The best plan I have this one. And once we lose this level here, then we have this one mid range. So at mid range, we will see whether we are going up or down or we are deviating a whole stuff below because we are currently at a resistive zone. Very much what I say is a bit of this is a resistance zone. So I will wait. At resistance, we have to wait for a clear direction. One more thing This is for the learners, for those who want to learn. Whenever price is moving something like this, CTPA, CTPA, CTPA go up, CTPA, CTPA, CTPA go down, and then suddenly where is CTPA? Where is CTPA? Here it is. And suddenly price moving like quick. It created this move as a very quick move here. It gives you a sudden move. One candle like this from nowhere. It created, and before that, one candle, blue candle, we have this CTPA here. Then what the next phenomena happens here is again CTPA, CTPA, CTPA. Now, once price start rejecting again here in this zone, and it wants to cover this zone like this blue bombastic candle, the red candle will be the same velocity. It will be of same velocity. It will came down the way it goes up. This is the phenomena. You have to be careful in your trading on lower time frame as well as of higher time frames. If price suddenly pumped and once it is started to reverse those or revisit those areas, it will be quick. Same phenomena goes here. It came down quick, it came down up, it goes up quick, quick, quick. On lower time frame, I have plenty of examples, and in your chart, especially look at these three candles. Quick, one, two, three, quick. Very much. Look at this open wide open zone here. Where the fuck it is going? This one. This wide open zone. Look at this one. From here to here. One, two, three candle. One, two, three candle. Completed. So don't be like because there is no resistance pending up here. Once price is falling, they are not creating any supplies. It is free fall. So when it start revisiting here because of non-supplies here, they will go up straight up to form no demand. Because if the supply is not there, why will be there is a demand? And now if price once again wants to revisit this zone, remember and be prepared for this phenomenon once again. On lower time frame, you will see the same example if I have this. Look at these candles, these candles. If you are old trader, you will remember something. I will show you. Look at this. Low went up, went up, went up, and then again went up, went down. Let me show you the old something old. This is a basically. Let me mark it. I will show you something. Go for H4 now. Yeah, motherfuckers. They are not showing your time frame. If you check 2021 lows here, you will find similar pattern here on H4. And look at the phenomena which I told you right now. I marked wrong one, this one here. Phenomena which I told you that if a price is reversing straight, then it will go up straight. One down, straight up. And same situation happening right now. Look at this supply right now. Price is at its supply, then it will move and slowly, gradually it will go up. Same situation is happening here. We are coming up quickly, supplies here, and we are hovering around supplies, distributions, and then we will go up slowly. So this is it on actually the main focus was on lower time frame. High time frame was everyone knows nowadays. Every trader is on charts. So here is the long trigger here. We will target these supplies. Another thing is shitty eat. ETH I will not go with like okay deep analysis and that do that. No, I am not because higher low same with higher low, higher high, and this higher low should be tested or reclaimed for bullish continuation. Simple as that. On lower time frame, I will just study it. What I am expecting. These are Monday highs are here. I want to revisit these highs here at 25.40. Give us a bearish momentum. I am clearly saying that ETH will revisit 22 two, two, two. Don't go hard on it. Wait for it. It will come here. Once we sweep this, then we will see. Reason is ETH BTC. ETH BTC is slowly coming down to fill up. Maybe it is going to sweep this low here. Look at this candle. No volume generation here at resistance. So yeah, ETH will come down towards 222. Don't go hard on ETH. Simple as that. Yes, for long triggers, mid range is important. If it came here, we will look for long with align. I will align it to Bitcoin. If it work both aligned, yes, I will take it and then range highs. Not taken out, then range lows will be the target, and we will take longs from this zone until unless I'm not touching ETH. Clearly, I'm saying that it will come to this 2222 with confidence. So it's up to you now. You want to long it, go for it. Which one is important one? Okay, hype. Last stream, I give you this fucking level here. Remove everything else. This one here. If you saw my last stream here, this was a spot I was saying I am buying here, and it is still up like 59-60%. In one trade you have made, if you made 50-60%, then big thanks to me. I give you that level. So yes, I will go because someone from India asked me why you mark this red zone on your stream and it is still here. What is this? Okay, I'm explaining it. This is the leg high, leg low. I'm marking extensions of from high to low. Previous extensions. Look at 2.618 here. Remove it. Again from high to low. Now with that extension, look at this extension level, how it retests beautiful. Now the second level, 1.618, important level. I am marking the closest levels, like 2.16 is lying here, 1.618 is also lying here. So this is a resistive zone. Okay, remove and another one, mark from high to low. This, no, when I mark this, this was the low. This is new low. Yeah. Okay. I forgot from where I marked. From here to here. Yeah, look at this one. 1.618 again lying here. So three major levels are lying in this space. So yeah, that's why this red. uh, zone is marked here. 1.618 rejection. 1.168, I want a rejection from this zone right now. And another 1.1618 is also, if you mark this high, it's a messy chart. It's a mm, common sense if you are using it. Like, look at these levels are lying same. Then these are the closest levels. So this is a big 2.61 at 115 to 120 level. If price comes up here, then the next zone will be this one to be offloaded zone. Again, this is a very big difference, so I am not counting this one as well. So that's why I marked those this box, and it is working perfectly well for now. And hype is bullish. Hype is bullish, and it's a very much bullish. So any pullback in this zone will be again reload zone for me. I'm out. I sold somewhere here at 74 to 75 zone. I didn't expect it. It will hold up here. So yeah, hype. I'm out. ETH I give you already. What is the another coin that uh, BNB? Nothing else. I have very much on my list because I'm just focusing on Bitcoin. And finally, after the analysis and whole that video, I would share some things here. This is the setup I am watching for. On Discord, okay, we stopped out on Trump last night. I have long on Trump trade here, long run. I was looking for this liquidity to be grabbed higher, low swept again SMT here. Internal low swept into H1 demand, and it is holding while M15 breakout was here. So yeah, I thought it will go up, but it says no, I am not going up. Overall, we are going very, very much good. Like Omar is doing really great here. 1.2 TP, then again 0.5 for 1.2 hour, and I am focused on 25K. We have bought from Proper give us this funded account, and we started trading it like 1% standard risk. Closed first trade with 1 hour, then 0.7 hour. This each one, again this one the quickest one, and this was also 1 hour, so it was up like 1% yesterday night. I again took long on Bitcoin, but I closed it small gain because price was hovering around. It was not giving me a good reaction. So yeah, I am working on this proper because few of traders in our Discord are working on proper or any other prop firms. So we decided to take a challenge on 25K. And if you are interested, go check out our Discord, go for the exchanges, and you can also buy your account from here. This is the link here. You can sign up and buy yours and join us for the next update. And another thing is corners here. There will be adding two more corners here. The way AWS is working on these are on corner. These are the free corners. Like you don't have to pay. You just join here, open roles, and take your role here. Whoever trader you want to follow, just click on this one like this, whatever you want to take click on it, and you will get notification. The way Aves is doing like uh, past week. BTC long CMP, it was stopped out. Then he relonged current market price. Look at this one stopped out, and then 5.5 RTP. This is free trade. We don't charge for those. Again, long here, current market price 5.5 R. Then he shorted gold and moved stop loss to break even. It also went up for 3 hours, then break even. It got out. Overall, this one, Omar is also doing great here. Look at this 3.7 hour setup and 2.5 hour here. So here also doing very much very great here. I also give analysis videos and everything here. So you join here, come here, join us and take roles. If you're not willing to pay to premium section, enjoy free. Sit here and enjoy. And in premium, we have funded a challenge going on. We have trades. Omar is also providing, and a surprise is loading. In September, we have our alpha trader on the board. He will also joining us from September till end of the year. So he will also provide his trades and analysis, everything he got. So he is a big lad again. One corner is adding in pre-section, and in premium section we are adding a premium trader as well. For going for funded, if you want, you don't want to risk your own capital, then go for it. uh, Buy the funded, sign up here on proper and buy it. Because why I'm using proper? No rules. It is made for us. You can copy, you can do whatever you want on it. No hidden rules, nothing. Yesterday I requested a payout. It was mm, like it took 27 minutes. So in 27 minutes I got my first payout. So you can also log in here and buy the another thing which is important, and I kept it for the end of this video. If you are still listening, there is a giveaway, and that is buy one account, whatever, 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, whatever you want, get one free. Okay. Allah Hafiz, take care. See you in the next stream.